Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study the chapter The Fun They Had from Beehive. Now this is a story about a brother and a sister, Margie and Tommy. Now both of them are studying at home like you people. Now this is a story about school of future. हमारे future के schools कैसे होंगे? So in that future school we will be having virtual classroom, learning through computers, robotic teachers and moving e-texts. Now moving e-text means they won't be having any textbooks or notebook like all of you have. आपकी तरह उनके पास किताबें नहीं होगी मगर उनके पास कंप्यूटर होगा और कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर सारी किताब बुक्स होगी, सब पढ़ना होगा. अब आज हम लोग भी वी आर लर्निंग थ्रू वर्चुअल क्लासरूम एंड इवन ऑन कंप्यूटर्स. ओनली यू डोंट हैव अ रोबोटिक टीचर्स. इंसान है आपको पढ़ाने वाले, दे आर नॉट रोबोट्स. Okay, now when this story was written by Isaac Asimov, it was long back the story was written. So this is all how will be the schools of future. Let us study the chapter now. Margie even wrote about that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." Now when is this story written? It is in future. अभी हम लोग का कौन सा साल चल रहा है? 2020. Now story is written about 2157, so many years afterward. So Margie found a real book. It was very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. तो कितने साल पुरानी? बहुत साल पुरानी बुक उनको मिली और वो बुक मार्जी के जो ग्रैंडफादर थे उनके ग्रैंडफादर की बुक थी कि उस टाइम पे बुक्स में सब पढ़ते थे. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, means here you are reading through a book. बुक्स के वर्ड्स क्या हिलते हैं? नहीं, लेकिन कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे वर्ड्स मूव होते हैं. सो मार्जी वॉज वेरी अमेज्ड टू सी दिस बुक. वो बुक देख के बहुत खुश हुई. इट वॉज येलो एंड क्रिंकली, मीन्स बुक बहुत पुरानी थी इसीलिए उसके पेजेस पूरे येलो हो गए थे. एंड देन व्हेन दे टर्न बैक टू द पेज बिफोर, इट हैड द सेम वर्ड ऑन इट दैट इट हैड व्हेन दे read it the first time. Means here the words remain the same. See in your book the word is same. You turn the page, the word will remain the same. You turn the page turn करोगे तो words change नहीं होंगे, लेकिन कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे जब हम पेज टर्न करते हैं तो words change हो जाते हैं. So she was very amazed, surprised थी वो बुक को देख के. Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the books, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it and it's good for plenty more. Means Tommy जो उसका भाई था वो बोल रहा है कि बुक्स कितना वेस्ट है. कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे तो एक साथ कितनी सारी बुक्स को हम स्टोर कर सकते हैं, बट दिस बुक वंस यू रीड इट यू थ्रो अवे द बुक. आई वुडंट थ्रो इट अवे. So Tommy has a computer and he has so many books on that computer. So he says that it is good to have a computer and we don't throw away the computer, but books you throw away after reading it. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. So what is the age of Margie? Margie is 11 years old and Tommy, her brother, is 13 years old. She said, where did you find it? So Margie पूछ रही है टॉमी से, where did you find it? कहाँ से मिली बुक? In my house, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading. In the attic. So where did he find that book? In the attic. What is the attic? Attic is a place just below the roof. ऊपर होता है. आज के ज़माने में तो मुश्किल होता है, पुराने ज़माने में attic होते थे जैसे ऊपर का एक स्टोर हाउस जैसा. What's it about? School. So Margie asked Tommy, what is the book about? And he says that it is about school. Margie was scornful. What is a scornful? Scornful means when you don't like something. She hated school. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. So Margie didn't like the school because their school was not like our school. हमारी स्कूल जैसे उनकी स्कूल नहीं थी. वो घर पे ही पढ़ाई करते थे और उनका एक रोबोटिक टीचर होता था जो उनको पढ़ाता था. Margie always hated school, but now she hated even more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Mechanical teacher means robot teacher. So Margie उसका एक robot teacher था और वो उसका geography test पे test लेता रहता था, and she didn't like it because she was not getting good marks in it. He was a round little man with red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. Now we are talking about which man? This county inspector. Margie's mother, Margie की मम्मी ने county inspector को बुलाया था ताकि वो देखे कि रोबोट में क्या प्रॉब्लम आ गई है. So he came with all his tools. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Then took the teacher apart. वो रोबोट टीचर को साइड पे लेके गए. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. Margie wished like this robot teacher should never come back now. But he knew how all right, and after an hour or so there it was again. So within an hour that county inspector repaired that mechanical teacher. Large and black and ugly with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. So the county inspector repaired that old robot and now it was ready. And how does the robot looks like? It was large and black and ugly. She didn't like it. Margie को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. वो बड़ा था, black था और ugly था. और it with a big screen like a computer screen was there on robot. And she didn't like much that robotic teacher. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. Means here she had this kind of a robotic teacher. Here you can see there was a screen where all the studies was coming and there was a slot. ऐसा एक होल होता है जहाँ पे उसको पेपर डालना होता है जो चेकिंग के लिए जाता है. So she didn't like it at all. She always had to write them out in punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old. When Margie was 6 years old, जब वो 6 साल की थी तब उसे बताया गया था कैसे एग्ज़ाम्स देनी है. पंच कोड मीन्स ABCD लिखा होता है, उसमें जो करेक्ट है A है B है उसके ऊपर पंच करना होता था. तो दैट वॉज अ पंच कोड she learned. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Means as soon as the Margie put that question paper in the slot, वो फटाफट, वो तो मशीन है एकदम फट से काम कर लेती थी. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. Patted उसका सर सहलाया और वो हंसे. He said to her mother, "It's not a little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level." So the machine, the inspector is talking about the machine, that in the machine there was some mistake and that is why the machine was taking test very quickly. Actually the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. Means Margie is doing well in her examinations. And he patted Margie's head again. So Margie was not wrong. Means she is good girl and she is doing good in exams also. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Margie सोच रही थी कि वो टीचर को, वो रोबोटिक टीचर को अपने साथ ले जाएंगे. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Now what was Tommy studying? Tommy was studying history. And so Margie said कि वो भी सोच रही थी कि जैसे टॉमी के टीचर को एक बार लेके गए थे 1 महीने के लिए, वो मार्जी के टीचर को भी 1 महीने के लिए ले जाएंगे. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about book? School." So she didn't like the school and so she didn't like क्यों कोई बुक स्कूल के बारे में लिखेगा. स्कूल कितना अच्छा नहीं होता. स्कूल is not good. Tommy looked at her with superior eyes. because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago, he added loftily. टॉमी उसे बताता है, टॉमी विथ सुपीरियर आइज, क्योंकि वो बड़ा है, उसको सब पता है, तो वो बोलता है वो हमारे जैसे स्कूल नहीं है स्टूपिड, वो तो अलग स्कूल होते थे. Pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. What is the meaning of century? Century means 100 years. So he is telling that hundreds of years ago स्कूल अलग होते थे, हमारे जैसे नहीं होते थे. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all at that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. So here Margie is talking about what kind of school they had. उसे कुछ पता ही नहीं था, वो छोटी थी, उसको पता नहीं स्कूल कैसे होते थे, टीचर्स कैसे होते थे उस टाइम पे. अभी तो उनके पास रोबोटिक टीचर है, उनको घर में ही पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है, इसीलिए उसको स्कूल्स नहीं पसंद है. So we will stop here. Remaining chapter we will do in the next session.